The thought regarding Psalms was really inspiring because normally we read Psalms only as a prayer. More than that, it's a point of reflection also. I was wondering, in fact, why Saint Augustine and the great saints have written big volumes on Psalms. Now I realize that it was really a meaningful work because that brings out the real mystery, and it also connects Old and New Testament. That was an insight. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Saint Augustine often used to say that unless we climb on these ladders or the pandal of these psalms, we cannot. Our Christian life is never fulfilled without going through or without making the psalms as a rhythm of our life. Slowly, once you begin to reflect and sometimes take time to go through all the psalms, you will find your life can be led by the psalms. Or whenever, every day when you have any struggles or emotions, one of the psalms will come for your help. It will begin to resound in your heart. One of the melody which often comes to my heart is another one. Yesterday I said now, Ninde bharam kartavine elpikkuga avidannu ninne taangikollum. Psalm 55:22. Ninde bharam kartavine elpikkuga avidannu ninne taangikollum. Neediman kulungan avidannu സമ്മതിക്കുകയില്ല. നീതിമാൻ കുലുങ്ങാൻ അവിടുന്ന് സമ്മതിക്കുകയില്ല. നിന്റെ ഭാരം
നിന്റെ ഭാരം കർത്താവിനെ ഏൽപ്പിക്കുക, അവിടുന്നു നിന്നെ താങ്ങിക്കൊള്ളും. നീതിമാൻ കുലുങ്ങാൻ അവിടുന്ന് സമ്മതിക്കുകയില്ല.
Thank you. So once as soon as you hear that voice, then you connect that with the suffering of Christ, and then you become completely free. Okay, thank you. Next, please.